Hello and welcome to Fort Lauderdale. So we've been here for a couple of nights. We've stayed in the Western Fort Lauderdale beach. As you can see right on the beachfront, we're still there at the moment.
And today is cruise day. We are joining the inaugural sailing on Celebrity Xcel.
Super excited for this for two reasons. Firstly, we love cruising with Celebrity. And secondly, it's the first time we'll have been on a Maiden Voyage. So we're interested to see what happens with that. So make sure you're following along, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow along on all our social media, just search at Cruising Coleman's and come along for the journey. As we've come to expect with Celebrity, everything's been super easy. As soon as we got out the taxi, they were taking our cases straight out the boot for us before our feet touched the ground. So very efficient. It was really good, wasn't it?
Really quick, yeah.
And checking in the terminal, again, within minutes, we're already through and through security. So now we're just waiting on the edge of our seats to board. First little peek. We're officially on board! Yay! We're at our cabin. Just dropping our bags off. Come in with us. Ooh, this looks nice. It's a bit fancy. So we've booked a concierge balcony cabin in this one. It's meant to be obstructed. I don't know what the obstruction is, whether it's the magic carpet on the side. I don't know, but it's not much of an obstruction, so it looks pretty good. So we've just been to our muster station, which is just outside the Martini Bar, which is pretty handy. So now we're just going to explore the ship. From what we've seen so far, it's beautiful. So we'll share all these videos with you. Come and take a look.
So what do you think of the ship so far?
We really like it and we think it looks amazing. There's lots that's new and lots of old things that are familiar to us, and still lots more to see that we haven't already. Let us know what you think. So we've just been for our concierge lunch in Tuscan. The menu is exactly the same as what we've had on Eclipse, as we were really looking forward to the lunch there. Starters, very good.
Very good, yeah. Had the soup today, which was great.
Yeah, and the pate as well, which is different to what we had on Eclipse. But we thought we'd try the beef cheeks again because we really enjoyed them on Eclipse. I have to say, we did enjoy it, but we much preferred the beef cheeks on Eclipse. Maybe it was expectations, but overall the food was really good. But I think our expectations were pretty high for this and didn't quite make the mark. had such a good day on board Xcel first day. It's been very busy, isn't it?
Well, yeah, lots going on.
Yeah, it's been non-stop, but it's been really enjoyable. We've had lots of good food, seen lots of really good entertainment. With it being the Maiden Voyage, we thought they may have done a little bit more to kind of celebrate that it's the official Maiden. But it doesn't seem as though that's happened. We haven't seen anything any different to what we would have seen on any other cruise. So it'd be interesting to see if anything different does happen at any point, or whether sort of a fuss will be made of it being the Maiden. But I mean, it doesn't put us, put a downer on how much we've enjoyed the cruise, is it?
No, it's still been a really good day, and the ship's looking amazing.
Yeah, it's a fantastic ship. Would 100% recommend booking this ship. I mean, Xcel is fantastic. Thank you so much for watching our video. We really do appreciate everyone watching, everyone that likes our videos. It does really mean a lot to us. If you've enjoyed it and you want to see more from Xcel and more from our travels, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's completely free, it doesn't cost you a penny. And as we've said, it all really does mean a lot to us. So thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.